Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be unboxing this much Birchbox. This is what the box looks like. It's very cute, very blue, but yeah, it's lovely. I love this kind of boxes because I use them for all sorts of things all the time. Anyway, so we also get this kind of booklet that tells you all the products that we are going to get, and also there is a sneak peek of next month's box. So next month we have a choice between a Model Co baked highlighter in the shade Froze or Moonshine. Okay, so let's get started with the first product. The first product that we have received is the Mica Bombshell Blowout Spray. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Let me see what the sheet says here. So this is, you know, to be used with your damp hair. It is also a heat protectant and a volumizing spray. So should I try it? I think I should. I know it says for damp hair, but we are rebels. It smells very nice. Okay. So that's pretty cool. I will be using that. I love kind of, you know, like leave-in treatments for my hair. So yeah, that's a plus. The next thing is the black mask. This is a charcoal mask for your face. This was a product that I have chosen for this month's Birchbox. I had a choice between this and, you know, this kind of eye gel masks. So yeah, let me see what it says here. Okay, so it is to be used when your clogs are poured and your blemishes are appearing and your complexion is generally looking tired. And this charcoal mask is supposed to draw out toxins and purify your face. That's pretty cool. I like charcoal masks, especially for, you know, my chin, because my chin is not my friend anymore. Yeah, so that's cool. I will use it definitely. And the next thing is the Glam Glow why does it always come out wrong? Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So this is what it looks like. This is actually my first Glam Glow product. I have never tried, you know, their masks before. In my opinion, they're a little too expensive for me, but I hope they're good. You know, it's nice to have this kind of travel size, you know, mini deluxe sample, just to give it a try. Maybe it's good, maybe it's worth it, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so what it says here is that you know, it has activated charcoal and it has a blend of 6 acids to leave your skin you know, fresh and unclog your pores, and also leave it radiant looking. So this is something that I will be happy to try out. And the next thing is the Benefit Bad Guy Mascara. Oh my god, the hype was real. I posted on my blog in my auntie haul that I will never ever buy this mascara, but it's here, received in a box. I will give it a go. Unfortunately, this mascara has more bad reviews than good reviews, but maybe it's gonna surprise me, I don't know. But what it says here is that, you know, it's a thickening mascara. Its gravity-defying formula contains aero particles commonly found in astronaut spacesuits to deliver volume with lightweight lift in every swipe. These are some claims. Oh my god. But yeah, I will use it, you know. I will not repurchase because it's not for me, not the hype, not the anything, but like I said, I will use it. And the next product is the Rituals Sensational Foaming Shower Gel. This is what it looks like. And what it says here, oh, actually it's a full-size product. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is a luxurious oh my god, gel that is infused with sweet smelling cherry blossom and organic rice milk to soothe your skin and calm your mind. So let's give it a little sniff. Oh my god, it does smell does smell pretty good actually. I will be taking this with me on our trip to Cavan. I think this is, you know, the perfect size, and so yeah, I think this will be pretty good, and I will get use out of it. Okay, so I think it is a 5 out of 5. Can't believe it. Wow, that's amazing, because usually Birchbox is usually, you know, like a 4 out of 5 or a 3 out of 5, but this month it is a 5 out of 5, because even the mascara, even though you know, I said I would never buy it, it's here. I will use it and I will give it a try. So I mean, yeah, so it's a 5 out of 5 for me. So yeah, I think that's it. If you liked this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.